breakfast. This is my brother's old shirt. I use coffee to make the oatmeal. Keep fit protein powder. Some of this agave. This tree is getting little green spots. Here's the birds. Hello, busy day. I wrote an offer. Let's see what's going on. Called my grandma and wished her a happy birthday. Working on getting my YouTube videos. I have 2 to post today. One is exporting, uploaded shortly. I made a contraption. Don't judge me. Try and eat healthy. I'm not very good at doing it for the vegetables. I get bad. So I get a lot of frozen ones so that my fridge doesn't shut sometimes. Took a bikini string, nailed it to my wall, and I use it to make sure that my freezer stays shut. It's really tightly packed. Genius. It's not food, it's a cup. The hardest part for me about editing is base of the files. MacBook from 2014. It always is getting full of space. No. Oh, I thought it just stopped exporting. It's also telling me I need to replace the battery, and then what I do with some of my personal things, neglect it until it becomes a disaster. The whole shebang. Fingers frickin' crossed that this works. I'm gonna be so stressed out if this doesn't export. Send positive vibes my way. Slight problem. The video did not export. Did have to do some troubleshooting. Google searching, and I found out about caches. I deleted them. It looked like that was generally okay, so hopefully I didn't screw up my computer. I think we're back in action. I'm really torn right now to go and run my errands. I should wait until tomorrow on my lunch break. I decided what I was doing with my life. I need to see if I still fit in. Yep. Too small. I am going to clean up my house, fix some bread. Also, I really need new handles because all these pants that are just way too small for me. I could actually do too is laundry. I should go and put a load in. It's funny how even after being recovered from having an eating disorder, things like that fitting in old pants is hella triggering. Alexa, play my playlist on Spotify. The good part of the movie.
The movie first.
This is a public playlist. Check it out. Pretty short. Some of the best songs. The toxic trait. I find old songs I like and listen to them incessantly until I can't stand them anymore. Yeah, I've forgotten how hot it gets in my upper unit. I've started sweating. Good news, my YouTube video exported. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not stick to the plan. I think I'm kind of stressed out right now. I finally got my video done. I'm doubting it, and I'm gonna be honest, a huge reason is because I edited the whole thing on my iPhone. When I saw it in high res on my MacBook, it looks like I had boogers and a bunch of parts, and I feel really self-conscious of that. I thought I was okay with being less scripted on the internet. I thought I was cool with that. I thought I was down with that. Seriously second guessing it, and I'm like, do I sound like an idiot? Like, am I embarrassing myself? I don't even know what people think. Made it into my car and we are driving. Walmart pharmacy. Diagnosed after I graduated college with panic disorder and agoraphobia. I don't talk about this a lot. I question if I should talk about it openly. I don't want people to think different, but my point is, the hardest thing for me in a day is to get out of my house. Out of the house, we're going. We're all good. There's not many things that frustrate me, but I'm gonna tell you 3 things. The DMV, no further comment. Driving, dislike it. That's why I film when I drive. Number 3, picking up my prescription, especially when I get there. Tell me they can't fill it today. I hate wasting time. It really makes me sad and frustrated. It's fine. Despite accomplishing nothing, and I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow. We're gonna look for the positive. To listen to music in the car, experience just a little bit of the nice weather. I think it's gonna be a thunderstorm tonight. I get really creeped out sleeping during thunderstorms. I've had dinner, I've been fed videos up on YouTube, like an unpublished draft area. I'm gonna go ahead and post, and if they see me older and without makeup sometimes. There is a storm brewing. At this point, if it ever comes out, no one ever asked me. I'm testing myself to see how long I can go without doing laundry. It is not, I just keep cutting it off. No, it's not that I dislike going in my basement and doing it. It is simply a mental test That's what we're gonna call it. Morning! It's Monday morning. Little sister gave me these earrings. Today is gonna be a good day. Had a super refreshing weekend. I'm the first one here this morning. Really pretty tree over there. First things first, coffee of course. I'm feeling a little crazy. Inside my cup I have vegan protein, agave. It is a rainy day. I am headed to a real estate appointment.
At the next light, turn right.
Fast throwback. No. I'm not proud, but I did it. I think I just need to own it. Fess up. I bit them off again. Anytime I get any sort of freaking anxiety. My nail's the first victim. Monday night, I just got home. Super rainy, gloomy day. I'm gonna put my garbage out. I'm gonna fix these things. Entering in listing. I have a new listing with one of my real estate partners. We partnered together for a number of transactions. Good Monday. So super exciting. I went to my real estate office. I don't go there every single day because I'm at my other office. But there's two of these on my desk. Yay, that's me. I love what I do. I hope that every year I win an award. That makes me so happy. With my real estate partner at our new listing. I got my heater because I'm cold. Fixing what happened to my nails, so that's always good. Ordering my sister's birthday gift. Waited till the last minute. Don't leave my house unless I absolutely have to. We're gonna Amazon it. I got lazy. I think I could overnight everything. All I can find 2 days. I might not be here on time. This is dorky, but I made my bed and I'm so proud of it. I don't think the birds like my feeders. Good morning, Ashka. A busy day. We're gonna get some work done today and it'll be a great day. Everybody, it is Thursday. No, Tuesday. 2 meetings this morning. 1 listing went live. Got a few calls about it already, so that's super exciting. All good stuff. My sister's birthday tomorrow. I'm very worried that her gift that I ordered at the last minute is not going to arrive, so I'm just running an errand right now to get her a little something to open up for her birthday. It's gonna be a long day up for it. Fun little fact, keep this little elephant in my car for good luck. It's really bright out. It is almost 7. It's like a door. I'm just leaving my office. Headed to the last meeting of the day. The owners so happen to be my parents. We touch base weekly. This car going 20 or 40. That is not ideal. Not great. We're almost home. Just smash out this meeting. What you're saying? Yeah. Strawberries are just so good. Hello, good morning, featuring my extremely dirty mirror. Yep, that's gross. Happy Wednesday. It is my sister's birthday. Pick something up for my mother. And then I am headed home. Turn off my coffee. Start planning this whole itinerary, so it'll be really fun. I'm super excited. Sunny sky. My normal sunglasses broke, so all I have for this very sunny day is frat boy looking one. Just now remembering I was out of gas last night, and I still have it today. Fingers crossed we get there. After stopping at my office, I'm running a few minutes later than I would have liked to go around on a detour. I gotta get there on time. Here's a bunch of construction going on around my parents. Emma's so cute. She got this for my sister. Oshkosh Defense used to be Oshkosh Truck. Sure. Here is a place called Chester. Used to be Subway. It is no longer Subway. We are going this roundabout way to my parents' house. I'm the type that's write myself notes for everything, or I forget. I'm gonna have to just weekly or bi-weekly start going to the gas station, even if I'm not empty. Look at the lake fly. Gosh, Mom, so you don't need help decorating anymore, huh? Doing some impromptu present wrapping. Hey, that flower is. Hi! This is for me and my grandma. Yes. This is Elena's birthday crown. Crown night? Oh, this is Elena's doggy. Doggy to wear the crown. Pretty May. A little bit like an alien when you were a baby. Yes, I thought at 9 you were. Sounds Gucci. Get down. Get down, girl. Go ahead. Get down. No, that was somebody else. That's true. Hard to explain. So, like, you speak to me. Ashes for me. See you go. Oh. What does the fox say?
Was a tailor, and he said, "Ring at the legs, can you win? Try the
You're not going to Alaska without me. I swear I thought you were going to Georgia and driving. I was not invited.
Is like.
Look at my teeth. Really cool. Yeah.
Precious gem.
It's hard
Fun.
carrying it around as much.
Oh, there. Look at. Was really very nice.
Do
Ingrid goes west is okay. Everyone go. I won't even look at the camera.
I think I'm funny.
We got
A bunch of finance bros out there.
Look at that.
Yummy. Good. It's all good. Oh, you should have. It's really gross. Oh, yeah. Hold on. There's been an accident.
No, it's okay.
9 views on my TikTok and he's hysterically. I said Mason did my video hit 200. He pulls it up and starts laughing hysterically. I only got 89 views. 89 views. Good morning, happy Friday. Nope. Happy Thursday. Hello. Week is flying by. I feel like it is going in like 2 times speed. Super busy. I can hear birds out of my window because we have the lake flies. They're hitting my window because they're looking to get the little bugs. A lot going on. It's all good stuff. Just got home. It's almost 7. Cooking dinner and I am tired. And my favorite snack, which is rice cakes. I'm never allowed to have my window open again. I have the most awkward interactions of all time. I accidentally look at the exact wrong moment. I'll walk her by her, looks at me, I freeze up, and we just both awkwardly look at each other. My little sister gave me this and I'm so excited to try it. Good morning, happy Friday. Ready to go into the office and hammer out another day of work before the weekend. Done with work, headed home. I have so much I have to do again tonight, but I'm so tired. Hello, it is Sunday. No, my God. Friday night, I filmed a tech video, doing some real estate work, a call with my mother, kind of doing my thing. Just had the most random snack, canned corn and beef. Living the life. So I'm looking for pictures of my mom and I on my iCloud, and that has a bunch of my pictures from a long time ago. I accidentally stumbled across a bunch of pictures of the people that are no longer at all in my life. One thing that probably will always blow my mind, one decision, one occurrence, random, fateful act can change the course of your whole life. Meeting a person you don't think there will be any significance impact your journey so much. It's really bizarre to me. It's like, what if you wouldn't have done the things that you did, done it but just slightly different? How would your life be different? That's it, because I miss these people. I'm truly very happy that they aren't in my life anymore. More so, I think, like, what if I would have never met them at all, you know? I have become more of a homebody than ever, to be totally honest. I am loving every minute of it. I'm ready to go bed. So I said save it for a minute. It's not funny. Hello, dear friends. After day, do my thing. My weekly video. Say hi. He has Africa safari pants.
You see a picture of me. This could be a good Insta.
Okay, yeah. He's going to freaking Alaska.
How is the fit? Do I look good with the backwards hat?
Yeah, I like the backwards hat. I like it better than forwards, truthfully. Mason's in his new whip. Hello, brother. Chilling with this cord. My brother came and he's borrowing a lawnmower. I have to mow tomorrow myself. Put it off last weekend. I filmed some content today I'm really excited about. And some real estate stuff to make some Facebook posts for my other job. Going home to celebrate Mother's Day with my family. Busy day, but good Saturday. Hoping I'll have a little bit more downtime tomorrow. Or hunted.
Neanderthals aren't dinosaurs. There you are.
Wow.
Why are you so
I had to get an exterminator for it!
This is little.
Okay, so mom.
Like, not as popular.
You are a rock star.